What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and in today's video I want to show you how you can get Clickfunnels for only $19 per month. Yes, you heard me right, only $19 per month. So there's no need to pay $97 a month, and there's no need to pay the $297 a month for the full package of stuff. Okay, you don't need to do that just yet. I want to show you that you can start making money from Clickfunnels. You can see the advantage of it, first with a 14-day free trial, and then after that is $19 a month. Okay, let me show you how that works. Now, what you need me to do is you need to use a shared link, and that shared link is actually in the description box below. But don't go anywhere just yet. Okay, I want to show you why this works, and I'll show you exactly how you get your 14-day free trial, and then you get it for $19 a month. So right here, this is just my dashboard. Okay, this is my dashboard over on Clickfunnels, and you can see right here, this is actually for an Amazon FBA webinar. Okay, so it's a webinar. It's the opt-in page first, then it's one video, second video, and the third video, which is the final one. You can see those right here. Okay, so this is it. 100% free online workshop, and you get this exact same page. Okay, you get all this stuff, all this. Exactly how you see it right here, you're gonna get that by using the link in my description box below. Okay, then you got this page right here, another video. Okay, then go and buy the course, have pictures, buy the course again, talks a little bit more about it, buy the course again, pictures, and then copyright. Anyway, second page or second video. Okay, more stuff, more pictures. Buy the course, what's inside, buy the course. And third video, which is the final video, but it doesn't end my email sequence. Okay, so what would happen is people would land on this after they get my email. They'd see it. Okay, another video, 14-minute video, buy the course, talks about the people, what's inside the course, and go buy it. Price goes up soon. Okay, you get all that. Okay, so all you gotta do, I actually shared a link with you, and the link is this one right here. So this link right here is actually in the description box. Okay, so all you do, you just go to that link. Okay, I already did it. I pulled it up inside. This is my incognito window, so that it doesn't just log me in. But all I'm going to do here is I'm going to go put in my email address and make a password, click create account. So I'm actually going to do that really quick, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I put in an email address. No, this is not a real email address. This bubbymanilo@yahoo.com, that's not real. So you can go send emails to it if you want to, but I wouldn't. I don't think anyone's going to respond. So you put in your email address, and then you make up a password. Okay, any password you want. Then click create account. And if you already have a Clickfunnels account and you want that webinar, all you got to do is click on that, share this webinar. So here is where you see it. Okay, you have the Edison suite, which is the main one. So you see it's already checked. Now if you want that one, great. If you don't want that one, click on just the Clickfunnels, the starter package. And if you want the limited shared funnels, okay, now read this carefully. I want you to understand this. So 14 days free, and then it's $19 a month. However, you can only use, let's read this really quick. Let's read it together. You can only use this, you can share funnel only plan limits to 3 funnels that haven't been shared with you. Okay, so this one right here that I just got done showing you, this one right here, this funnel that starts with this page and then has the 3 different webinar pages, this would be counted as one funnel. Okay, just because it has multiple pages does not make it multiple funnels. It's one funnel. Okay, so that means you can get 2 more. Now the next thing you need to understand is you can only edit and use these funnels without the ability to add new ones or new pages. So that means you can go in and you can delete pages, but you cannot add pages. Okay, you can edit these any way you want to. You can go do all that stuff, and again, 14-day free trial, and then only $19 a month after that. So if you've ever thought about promoting Clickfunnels, and you just want to get in and show people how it works, it's very hard to promote something that you don't actually use. So if you don't want to pay the $97 and you want to actually promote this product, pay the $19 a month. Get the limited shares funnel. You can do it right now. I'm showing you exactly how to do it. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Click that button, limited shared funnels only. You can upgrade anytime you want to. Okay, you can upgrade to something else later on. Let's say you're making good money, you're promoting this. Maybe you're even running ads to it, and you're getting a bunch of emails, subscribers. You're building your business. Maybe you're actually creating webinars just like I did. Okay, that webinar actually converted very well, just to let you know. Okay, so if you want the secret funnel training as well, it is $47. You can get that. It's a one-time fee. You can get that, but you don't need to. But I highly recommend, if you want to start using ClickFunnels, do it today. Okay, do it today before this is gone. $19 a month. Okay, guarantee this will be one of the best things that you ever do. If you spend the time to learn ClickFunnels, I guarantee you will love it. You will like how it works. You will love everything about it. It's so easy. Okay, if you've never seen me use ClickFunnels, go watch some of my other videos. Okay, where I actually talk about ClickFunnels, how I put together a funnel, all that stuff. It's very easy, very quick. ClickFunnels is probably one of the most efficient softwares out there. And then Russell Brunson, his team, he always puts great content out there, so you can always learn from him as well. But again, if you want to check this out, if you want to get ClickFunnels for only $19 a month, then go click that link in the description box below. Yes, that does take you to my shared funnel, this one right here. Go edit it any way you want to. And then one thing I ask, okay, if you go and edit this and it looks better than my page, or you think it looks better than my page, come back and let me know, because I would love to see it. I would love to see what kind of spin on things that you can put. So anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. Again, if you want to check out ClickFunnels for only $19 a month, go do that. Click the link in the description box below. Go sign up, get your 14-day free trial, and then $19 a month after that. But if you guys have any questions on ClickFunnels or really anything, just let me know. Put it in your comment section below. Be happy to answer any questions that you have. If you like this video and want more videos just like this, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.